Well, hey, what's going on, guys? I have just a quick little video this afternoon. I was doing a couple of other reviews while I got a knock at the door and a parcel from the one and only Klein tools. So I figured I may as well get this on film and we'll see what is inside. So to give you a little bit of story behind this, I did the other review on the Klein Tools backpack, which is the tablet bag, and obviously there was quite a few problems with it. One was a pretty big malfunction from manufacturing, and so Klein Tools did contact me and they have sent this out as a replacement. And so let's open it up, more packaging. There we go. Alright, so we've got a backpack, obviously. We've also got a 9 meter. I have not ever seen a 9 meter tape measure, so that's pretty interesting. You all know I've gone on a pretty big adventure on tape measures recently. Wow, okay. So I have not seen these before, and man, it's got a lot of weight to it, but the feel is actually like nothing I've felt before. Like, guys, Klein has not paid me for this. Obviously I ripped that last bag apart, was not really a fan, especially compared to the Vitos, and I wasn't expecting a tape measure. Have not seen these around, and the feel of this, I wish you could feel it. It is absolutely solid. I'm not sure what all the extra parts are on the top here, but that feels like solid tape measure. That retraction, I did not think I could have a response like this to a tape measure. We haven't even got to the bag yet, and you also have got the stopper underneath. It's a little button stopper. Interesting. So this will be given a good flog at work, and we'll see how that goes. And I guess we'll get into the bag. I'm not going to do a full review of this right now. That will be in the future. I want to be able to take this to work, utilize it there, see what the pros and cons are, and see how it'll last, and basically see if this is something I would recommend. So, straight out of the packet. The outside looks similar to the tablet bag, only a few little differences. Overall, quality feels pretty good. The outside of the last bag wasn't too bad when it came to quality. The padding in the straps feel pretty good. You have the more padding on the back there, which is obviously good. A couple extra holders. Got a strap there, usually that'll be like tape, that sort of stuff. Got a battery tape measure holder. Alright, so you go to the side, you've got the tape measure mount. That clips in there. So that's actually not too bad. They have got the extra strapping there, which is good. The Milwaukee bags, I definitely fault on this. They don't have much of a structural foundation, I guess you can say, for your tape measure. I haven't heard any problems, but I do see problems coming with that. So we'll open her up. Nice large pocket. Once again, really good quality on this actually. So it's definitely a step up from the other bag. Hey, you've got the zip on the top. On my other bag, I've never been able to see the inside of that, and you've actually got an extra pocket. So that's absolutely brilliant. A lot of drill bits, hole saws, I've seen people use that for that. Let's open her up. Alright, so these zips go around the side. That's handy. Alright, so go all the way. There you go. Okay, it's definitely different. Really good. At the moment, I can't see any faults with it. High quality. I don't know if it's up quite as close to the Vito bags, but man, I reckon they're pretty close. They're definitely getting there. So as I said before, guys, I will be taking this out into the field before I do any sort of reviews or let you know my main thoughts on them. Obviously at the moment, seems pretty good. I'm absolutely blown away from the tape measure. Who would have thought? So definitely stay tuned for that, and tell me what you think. You guys rocking one of these? Would you rock one of these? Let me know in the comments. So cheers, guys.